Hello, my dear students. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about mirrors. You have learned the different uses of mirrors, and you have also learned that mirrors are good reflectors of light. At the back of the mirrors, it is covered with shiny foils so that light can reflect to it very well. You have also learned the two types of mirrors: plain or flat mirrors and curved mirrors. Curved mirrors can be classified as concave and convex.
Concave mirrors can make an object look magnified or bigger, while convex mirrors produces a reduced image of an object. Our lesson for today is about the law of reflection. Open your science students book to pages 14 and 15.
Look at the photograph on page 14.
The person in the photograph is seeing the moon but not looking directly at it. How is light from the moon traveling to the person's eyes?
In our previous lesson, we said that the reason why we see things is because of reflection of light. But what is reflection again? That's right! Reflection is the bouncing off of light.
So the answer to the question is, light is being reflected off the surface of the pond. We all know that the moon is not a light source, but why does it look bright? Well, since the moon is like a giant mirror in the sky, means it reflects light from the sun. The concept of reflection is further explored by observing what happens to the rays of light. Scientists show the direction of light by drawing ray diagrams. The straight lines show the beam or ray of light, and the arrows show the direction the light is traveling in. We can check this using a mirror. Look at a picture of this girl. She stands in front of a wall and uses the mirror to bounce the light from the sun onto the wall.
What do you think will happen to the reflection as you move the mirror? And how will you hold the mirror to reflect the light beam at different angles?
A mirror always reflects light at the same angle as the light beam falls on it. Angle is a measure of the slope between or difference in direction of. By changing the angle between the mirror and a light source, you can direct the reflected light in any direction you wish.
The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, and this is the law of reflection.
In simple terms, the angle at which a light beam hits a reflected surface is equal to the angle at which it reflects off. Because light is reflected directly back at us by a mirror, we see the world reversed.
As an example, take a look at this video of Miss Veronica while she's using a mirror.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Who? Me? No, you are.
What do you think happens to the ray of light when it reaches the mirror? The mirror reflects the light straight back into the eye, and as a result, we can see what's in front of us. Light travels in a straight line. An image is seen as it is reflected. When the ray of light, or also known as incident ray, strikes the mirror, it will bounce off the mirror. The ray which bounces off or leaving the mirror is called the reflected ray. Explain how light is reflected into your eyes when you look in a mirror. The light from a light source travels in a straight line to the mirror. The mirror reflects the light in a straight line back to the eye.
Now it's time for our fascinating fact. Do you know that the great scientist, inventor, and artist Leonardo da Vinci used mirror writing to make secret notes of his ideas and inventions?
It is said that he could write backward as easily as he could write forward. To check if you have learned from our lesson today, answer this activity. You can download the copy of this in Class Dojo that has been posted together with this video. Then paste it in your science notebook.
See you in our next lesson, grade 5. Enjoy your day and keep safe.